Hello, camera enthusiasts. Hope you're all doing well today. Let's dive into the Canon R50, a compact mirrorless camera that's making waves among beginner and enthusiast photographers. We'll break down its main features and see if this might be the next addition to your camera bag. The Canon R50 is a step forward in the entry-level mirrorless category, offering the power of Canon's EOS R system in a lightweight body. It's perfect for those who want to explore photography without diving into a complex setup. With its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, the R50 aims to deliver sharp, high-quality images while keeping the controls user-friendly. One of the key highlights of the Canon R50 is its 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This sensor size strikes a good balance between image quality and low-light performance. The camera is capable of delivering vibrant and detailed photos, making it a strong contender for everyday photography, travel, and content creation. Paired with the DIGIC X processor, you get faster image processing and improved overall performance, even in challenging lighting conditions. The Canon R50's autofocus system is another strong point. It features Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which provides fast and accurate focusing. This system excels at tracking subjects, whether it's a person's face or a moving object, making it ideal for vlogging, action shots, or capturing spontaneous moments. You also get eye detection AF, which locks onto a subject's eyes, ensuring the focus stays sharp, even in busy environments. If you're into video creation, the R50 won't disappoint. It supports 4K video recording at up to 30 FPS, downsampled from 6K footage. This gives you clear, detailed videos with minimal noise. The camera also offers full HD recording at up to 120 FPS for smooth slow-motion clips. With a fully articulating touchscreen, it's perfect for vloggers who need a versatile setup for various shooting angles. Canon has also focused on making the R50 easy to use and connect with your devices. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless image transfer to your smartphone or tablet via the Canon Camera Connect app. This feature is great for quickly sharing your photos on social media or backing up your files. The simplified menu system and guided UI are designed with beginners in mind, making the transition to a mirrorless system less intimidating. Overall, the Canon R50 is a solid choice for those entering the world of mirrorless cameras or looking for a compact, versatile option. It combines ease of use with advanced features, making it suitable for a variety of photography needs. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more camera insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Catch you later, and happy shooting.